Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove green screen in Filmora. So first you just have to simply open the Filmora, and after that you have to click on new project and start a project in which you have to import a video with a green screen and another video that could be used as a background. After that you have to place the videos, but you have to place the video of the background as the behind layer and the video with the green screen as the front layer. You can just simply set it, and after that if the duration is longer than the background of the green screen, then you have to adjust it, or you can also go as per your preferences. Now what you have to do is you have to click on to that green screen, and on the right side this section will come up. On the top you have to click onto this video option, and then you will see all these options. You have to go with this AI one, and after that you will see this Chrome key option will be there. You have to click onto it, and as you click onto it you will see the green screen will be gone and only the object will be there. But if I again click onto it, you will see the green screen will be back. So one thing you have to make sure that you can see we have this green color up there. In case you don't see that green color up there, then from there you have to select it. Otherwise the color is different, then you will see the image will not be as perfect as it should be. So make sure the right color has been selected. If not, then you can do it by yourself, and then you will see the green screen will be removed. So that's it. This is how you can remove the green screen in Filmora. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.